Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of Boxycharm Skincare Limited Edition. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, do not wait too long. Subscribe to my channel, ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. And now, if you want to know what I got in this Boxycharm Skincare Edition, just keep on watching. Okay my friends, so today I just got it on the mail. It is my Boxycharm Skincare Limited Edition box. This box cost $49.99 and like I said before, this is a limited edition box. If you are a charmer, that means if you are subscribed to Boxycharm subscription box, the monthly one, you're able to get this skincare box. Now if you're interested about it, I will highly suggest to go ahead, check the link down below and get your skincare box, because when they are sold out they will be gone. And you know what, this is an amazing box. So let's just open it up and see what are the products that I got. Okay, the first item that I see is this Farsali Jelly Bean, and it's an illuminator. Let's just take a look at it. The shade that I got is Glow Up, and Farsali, they just have such pretty packaging. This is the gold leaf glass on the bottom, and it says Jelly Bean right here, so you can take a look at it. Now this product costs $40, so you pretty much on this product just pay off for the box. So with my box you get these cards that actually give you a description of all the items that you're getting and the retail price of them. So for this Farsali Jelly Bean Highlighter, says you are definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Farsali Jelly Bean Highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder. Always deliver a high shine finish that concentrates pigments, makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. Okay, so I have some highlighter on, but you know what? I want to go ahead and try it. Woo! Almost went everywhere. It's really wiggly, jelly. There you go. The consistency is just so weird. All right, let's see. Let me get a mirror right here. And let's just apply it. Just tap it in with my finger. And it's very liquidy, so I'm just applying a very little amount on one side. And you can see it. Okay, it has more of like a champagne color to it. There you go. There's the glow. And I think it has, because the highlighter that I'm using right now, under it is this new one by Marc Jacobs. It's called Worth the Wait. It just came out. It's this white one right here. But this Farsali one seems like it has a little bit of like that, like I said, a little champagne, but it has a little bit of pink pigments in it. Very light pink, like baby pink. Yeah, because immediately when I put it up, it just gives me like a very little subtle pink glow to my skin. There you go. Okay, so this is a winner because I have been eyeing it but not really ready to buy it. So I'm excited that I have gotten this friend on my box. Next item is Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Okay, so I never heard of this brand before. Let's just open it up. Oh, this is a cute little tube. It says Saturday Skin right here. And these, just by the way, these items that I'm receiving, they are all full size. There are no travel size on this box. And let's see what it says. It says, first of all, the retail value is $28 and it will gently and visibly remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts. Pineapple is all over right now. I mean, what is it? Glow Recipe came with the vitamin C pineapple, And then Marc Jacobs just came out with a new skincare that has pineapple in it. So for vitamin C, basically, that's the pineapple where it comes from. This peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts the skin's elasticity with super peptide concept. So has peptides, which I really appreciate about that. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, papaya actually is a source of vitamin A. So let's just take a look. Okay, so it comes with a seal, which I really appreciate. So let me just feel the texture of this. Let me read a little directions. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to face and wrap in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water and maybe use once or twice a week. So let me just try a little bit on the palm of my hand. And this is the consistency right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's just like a gel and it's whitish color, a little bit transparent. It doesn't have any scent, at least no noticeable. Ooh, okay. So it's kind of like an exfoliator. It has like little granules, and as you move it, you see that it's kind of like peeling, like balling up. You see when it balls up right there? So it's taking all the dead skin from my hand. Okay, and then you're supposed to rinse it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed it off, and it left my skin really supple and smooth. So this is a nice product. So I will say, you know, these may work for me. I don't like scrubs, to be honest with you. I'm more into like chemical exfoliating type of products. But these seem very nice, and it left my skin very smooth. I'm happy I got this product in my box. Next item is this Jellybeans Superfood Probiotic Night Cream for advanced skincare. This is the packaging. So pretty. And we know Jellybeans is a really high-end skincare brand. This retails for $45, and the description says, wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. So this is for the nighttime, and this superfood contains superfood lipids, chia seeds, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that works all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. So it will help you with hydration, and it says also that it will replenish your skin barrier for a way smoother and way softer skin. Okay, so I'm excited to try this new skincare product. I do have a pretty set skincare routine, but I love what it says about the hydration and that it will actually replenish the skin barrier. I just started to use Retin-A, and I'm using it. I started first with once a week, and right now I'm at 2 times a week. So I just want to go ahead and maybe incorporate these on my skincare routine and see if it will help me. I don't have any flakiness or dryness or anything like that from the Retin-A, but I find a little bit of just a dash of redness, but nothing too major. So I'm excited that we got this product, Jellybeans, and we have seen another Jellybeans product in Boxy. I think it was Boxy Looks. We received it on the first Boxy Looks and Jellybeans collagen cream. So I'm excited about this product. Next item, it is this Glamglow Super Serum. So another type of serum. Well, the other one was a night cream, but this is a serum, and the value of this is $65. $65, and I only pay $49.99. That's why I love Boxycharm and all their products. They are so good. And you know what? It's to me, it's a little treat for myself, so I'm really liking it. Okay, so I have never tried this product before from Glamglow, but we know Glamglow, they're very expensive. Like everything from Glamglow, even a mask is so expensive. And these have a 6-acid refining treatment. Oh, so this is an acid blend. So you have salicylic acid, lactic acid, pyruvic acid. tartaric acid, mandelic acid, and glycolic acid. Okay, I love my acids. Actually, when I don't use the retin-A, not all the time, I maybe use right now my retin-A twice a week, and that's all what I will do. And then about once a week, I will do a acid, glycolic acid. I do the framboise, the TLC from Boost, glycolic from Drunk Elephant, and I also do sometimes in the morning before my makeup. I use the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So, and that one is lactic acid. So I can hold lactic acid really well. Salicylic acid, I don't know too much. By glycolic, I do. So these may be like something like a little bit more potent. So I will see if I will apply it at nighttime, like instead of my TLC from Boost from Drunk Elephant. And again, this was $65. What it says here in the card is that it works instantly for clarifying your pores and plump fine lines, and it's powered by activated charcoal to refine your pores. It has a high potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. It works in different layers of the skin to lose dead skin cells. Then we have your nighttime kind of routine right here. So first you go with this friend, and then you follow with this friend, and there you go. We have two items for the nighttime according to how I will use it. Now, next item that I got is this Campari coconut cleansing oil. There you go. I have tried only the Campari, like it's a lip gloss type of thing. So I just, let's see right here. These retails value for $32. That's big right there. It's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Campari coconut cleansing oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brightening your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and very soft surface. Okay, I like that. Natural moisture, restorative, antioxidants, gentle to the skin. Perfect. Let's see how it smells. It smells like coconut, but very subtle. Not like, to me it's even a little bit more on the powdery side, like maybe like a baby powder. Not too much coconut, but really subtle type of coconut oil. So I'm excited to get this one right here. So this will be good because it also removes makeup, and this product is paraben free too. So if you do not like parabens on your products, this is a good choice. It's also a cruelty free item, and it's a vegan item. So I'm excited that I got this product right here because what you can do, it is you can in the morning, and like I said, do not over exfoliate. I mean, if you're doing these, you don't want to do the super, the Saturday skin after that. You don't need to do both. You can do one day at nighttime, you can do these, and then skip a night, and then you can use this other exfoliator right here, the Glamglow one, and that way you don't over exfoliate. Or you can use these in the morning time if you want to. But like I said, give yourself time, give your skin time to breathe. And this coconut oil, I'm sure, is very nourishing. I don't know if I told you the price or not, but this is $32 in retail value. Next item that I got, ooh, I love this brand. I love Caudalie so much. I don't know, every time that I see Caudalie, I just think in Europe. But we received this Caudalie Great Water. That's right here. So it's more like this is basically a moisturizer in a bottle, just kind of to refresh, soothe the skin. So the days that is like really hot, like maybe you're at the beach or like walking long distance, you throw this in your purse and just spread. It will just give you a really nice boost of hydration and basically moisturizing your skin. It's not a setting spray or anything like that. You can also use it as a toner. I have used it before. This is a beautiful product, and these gray water retails in for $10, and this is extracted from French grapes. Your new Caudalie organic gray water helps increase hydration and reduce redness. Safe for sensitive skin, the fragrance and preservatives-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. This is a wonderful product. Like I said, you can take it on, you know, like hot days and just spray it, or just refresh if you have really sensitive skin, or I do have sensitive skin, or like you just need an extra boost. This is a great product. Another items that we got, I got 2 of these watermelon glow jelly sheet mask right here. These are so cute. I have tried the watermelon sleeping mask and I really love it, so I'm excited to get these 2 right here. The retail value of these 2 is $16, and they are they're supposed to hydrate, brightening, and soften your skin. Another thing is this glow sheet mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum, and you get 2 in this package, and again retail value $16 for both of them. So I'm excited about these. I'm not too crazy about masks, to be honest with you. I just don't feel I have the time to put a mask on my, you know, within my skincare routine, so I don't do it very often. But I'm excited to try these 2 because I have tried the sleeping mask from Glow Recipe and I really like it. Next and last item on this box is this cosmetics clean and clinical. So it comes in this little box. It's a jade roller. There you go. This is the jade roller right here. I have one of these already. These are really good. So it actually helps with lymphatic drainage for your skincare to actually absorb better. So for example, if you're using this super cream, you can use it either right before or right after your this product, or any skincare product like any moisturizer or hydrating serum. You just roll your skin in up motion and it will help absorb all those products better, because it kind of like activates all your cells on your skin, and it helps a lot with, you know, like blood circulation. It helps out with puffiness too. So these are always coming handy. If you haven't tried one, you should put it also on the refrigerator, and it will get nice and cold, and then when you're applying it, it just gives another sensation, soothing, relaxing, and also depuffing too. And the value of my box is $268. Wow, for $49.99. And they are, all of the items that I have received in my box, they are great brands. So I'm really happy for what I got. It's really worth it at $49.99. All right, my friends, so I think that's a wrap with this Boxycharm skincare box limited edition. I think this is a wonderful box. Again, you know, like if you're interested on any of these products, I will suggest to get the box, because in one item, like for example, this Glamglow one is $65. For $49, you already got it, you know. And if you're into these chemical exfoliators, this is perfect. Another thing that I'm excited about is this Elemis Superfood Night Cream too. Elemis is a really good brand. So I think, I mean, for the price, you're getting really good quality items. Again, I will put my link down below of how to get to be a charmer for Boxycharm, for the regular Boxycharm, and then you can get your skincare again while supplies last. So hopefully you really enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you have got this skincare box, and let me know if you are also a charmer or not. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.